answering these questions, it doesn't mean that meron po tayong attorney-client relationship, okay? So, kailangan nyo pa rin kumonsulta sa inyong mga abogado. Alright? So, number one question that I want to answer ay yung, ano ba yung difference kapag ang petitioner ay green card holder lamang versus US citizen. And then yung bata ay magto 21 years old. Ayan. So, alam nyo po, yung edad na yan, napaka-crucial niyan. Kasi, pagdating ng 21 years old ng bata, nagbabago yung category niyan. Okay? Except, kapag ang petitioner ay US citizen, kasi merong CSPA. So, protected ang bata. So, say ang parent ay US citizen and in-sponsor niya yung anak niya, 20 years old, wala pang 21, so siguro 1 week before mag-21 yung bata na file yung petition. Okay, so what happens is yung age ng bata protected. Kasi yan ang benefit noon kapag US citizen ang petitioner. Pero, kapag ang petitioner naman ay hindi US citizen like permanent resident, then papasok yung computation ng CSPA. So, gaano ba katagal naghintay from the time of filing to the approval, tas meron silang computation. So, kung minor, kung below 21 pa rin yung bata, pasok. Kung hindi na, then hindi na. So, yun ang difference. So, which one is better? Siyempre, better kapag ang US citizen ay, kapag ang petitioner ay US citizen kasi protected yung age ng bata. So, yun. So, kung meron kayong opportunity na mag-US citizen na, and then, and you're thinking of sponsoring your children, mas maganda na ang status mo, of course, ay US citizen na kapag nag-petition ka. Okay? Yan po ay hindi pa, of course, dependent, yung iba may mga ibang factors na kinukonsider. So, ang payo ko ay makipag-usap pa rin kayo sa inyong immigration lawyer. Okay? Alright. So, going back dito sa ating YouTube channel, I want to answer the questions here. Sabi niya, "Hi mom, my husband ay meron ng job offer from the US. What do we do next? How can we apply for H-2B visa here in the Philippines?" Kung meron na pong employer ang husband mo, ang proseso po ng H-2B ay sinisimulan ng inyong employer. Yan. So, and then of course, you have to be careful. So, siguro tanungin nyo na employer nyo, meron ba kayong licensed agency in the Philippines? Because whether you like it or not, you have to deal with that. And doon pa rin po kayo makikipag-coordinate. Okay? So, tanungin nyo na, may licensed agency na ba kayo sa Philippines? Kasi kahit meron kayong employer na nag-start na ng proseso pagdating sa Philippine part, ay kailangan pa rin po yun. Okay? So, mag-ingat po kayo at marami pong mga manloloko, lalo na sa mga employment visa. Ang dali lang kasing manloloko sa employment visa. Sasabihin lang nila may job offer, tapos sasabihin, pay usually less than $1,100, mga less than 5,000 pesos. Parang okay pa, pwedeng magbaka sakali. Okay? And then, after that, magkakaroon ng susunod na request for payment. Ayan na, for medical. Mga $500 na. Ganyan. So, palaki ng palaki. And eventually, mas mataas na. And then, wala naman palang visa. Okay. Meron pa nga pong case na yung pinadala niyang pass picture ay nilagay dun sa peking visa. Na photoshopp na lang siya. Nilagay yung mukha nung Filipina. And then, fake na visa. And then, pinakita na sabi, ayan, may visa ka na. You have a visa na and then you need to pay $700. So, wag po kayong magpaloko sa mga ganyan kasi marami pong manluloko. I even realized na mas madaling manloko sa employment visa scam versus dun sa love scam. Kasi sa love scam, liligawan mo pa, bobolahin mo pa. And I was just watching earlier yung si Lola na nabiktima ng love scam. Imagine, 1 week na siya dun sa airport, naghihintay siya dun sa kanyang kachat na retired US military. And sabi ng military, nanghingi ng $500 and then andyang na ano siya na parang na-detain and then kailangan niya na namang humingi ng pera. So si Lola naghihintay na siya ng 1 week doon sa embassy ay sa airport, and you know, she's still believing na totoo yung kanyang yung kanyang relationship. So nakakaawa. Sabi nga nung reporter, nakakaawa because hindi pa rin siya naniniwala na na-scam siya. Okay? So I was thinking, parang mas madaling manloko dun sa mga employment kasi dun sa employment, gagawa lang sila ng fake job offer na kunyari, binibigyan kanila ng posisyon, ganyan, eto yung sweldo mo, ganyan, dito ka magtatrabaho. Tapos, ipapadala na nila sa iyo, you believing na meron ka talaga employer, magbibigay ka ng paunti-unti ng $100, $500, ganyan. You know, yung love scam, papaniwalain ka pa nila na mahal ka nila, na meron kayong relationship, na magkakaroon kayo ng life together. So I was thinking, you know what, mas marami ngayong mga scammer ng employment. Kaya tayong mga Filipino, mag-ingat po tayo, ha? Kasi hindi mo alam na andyan lang sa tabi-tabi niyo yung mga nag-scam sa inyo. Okay? Yan. Alright, paano ba ako napunta dyan sa scam? I don't know. But I first started with the petitioner and then napunta na ako dun sa scam. Okay. So, eto sabi niya dito, "Hi attorney, nakapagbayad na po kami ng visa na hinihingi nila. September 23 po kami, ilang taon na po kaya hihintayin namin. Yung anak ko po mag-21 na po siya." Okay, so I'm not referring to any particular category here, pero I was just checking a visa application earlier. Tapos yung difference nung availability ng visa, when you look at the visa bulletin, di ba? Yeah, ready na for processing pero hindi pa ready for visa interview. Okay, so meron pong retrogression. And because of that, naghihintay. So, say, do sa National Visa Center, na isubmit nyo na lahat ng kailangan yung submit. You submitted the immigrant visa application, you submitted the affidavit of support, and then sabi sa inyo ng National Visa Center, documentarily qualified na ang yung beneficiary. So, ang next step, di ba, is yung interview na sa US Embassy natin sa Manila. But the problem is, wala pang available na visa. Meaning, mas maraming qualified versus doon sa number ng visa available. So, ano nangyayari? Naghihintay. Bakit ba naghihintay? Because marami pong aplikante and then limited ang number ng visa per category. Yan. So, that's the reality. Kaya po, huwag niyong sisihin ang inyong abogado. Huwag niyong sisihin ang inyong abogada. And wag niyo sisihin ang whoever is helping you or yung petitioner nyo. You know, sometimes hindi ka, kumbaga, there's nothing that you can do about it. You know, so ako, I've been practicing for 15 years and I'm very honest about this. Doon sa mga kliyente ko na, you know, wala kang magagawa kung wala pang visa available eh. Okay? And there's a way for you to check that. Para dun sa mga naghihintay ng visa, i-google nyo lang visa bulletin. So say January ngayon, February for next month, February 2024, visa bulletin. Ayan. So google nyo siya and pag google nyo, makikita nyo doon visa bulletin, and then from there pwede na kayo mag-scroll. Okay? Kung ano yung category nyo, yung preference category nyo. Yan. So, makikita nyo, checkin nyo yung priority date nyo. And then, kung nandun na yung malapit na yung priority date nyo, then mag-expect na kayo that you will be notified by the National Visa Center. Okay, kung lampas na, then you can contact them. So, there's a way to contact them, diba? You go to their website ngayon, yung NVC Online, and you can make a direct inquiry. Dati, diba, wala din itong mga ganito, diba? So, parang ang hirap. Pero everything is available online. Kahit may abogado kayo, if you want to check it, you can actually check it, diba? Just go online. So, doon yun makikita. Like yung F2B category, diba? Doon sa chart B, ay ano siya, 2013. Pero para do sa final, sa chart A, ay I think it was 2012 pa. So, medyo na medyo meron akong memory loss. So, tignan nga natin para tama yung binibigay nating information. So, all you need to do is go to Visa Bulletin 2024. Alright? And then from there, so i-click yung link and then you can find here the different categories. Yung chart B, dates for filing, makikita nyo doon. Like say for instance, F2B category, October 1, 2013. Pero pagdating nyo doon sa final action date, October 22, 2011. Kaya nga, di ba, kahit approved na or documentarily qualified, sabi, wala pa daw schedule for interview. Okay, sa ating embassy sa Philippines. So what do we do about that? We have to wait. And I do understand na marami naghihintay and lahat po tayo ay merong reason. May kanya-kanya tayong reason kung bakit gusto natin mapa-expedite yung proseso. So halos lahat po na naghihintay ay may dahilan. But you know, minsan wala tayong magagawa but to wait. Okay? Alright. Going back doon sa ating channel, ito, sabi niya, para H2B yung questions paano po mag-apply ng visa? So the thing with employment with the US, as I said, is the employer has to initiate the process for you. So hindi ikaw po yung mag-i-initiate, hindi ikaw mag-file. Meron na silang gagawin dito sa US before nila simulan ng proseso to sponsor you. Usually, they start with the Department of Labor. Okay? Sabi niya, attorney, tanong ko lang, saan po ba kayo pwedeng matawagan or mapuntahan? Okay, so, you can actually email eb@eboardlaw.com or mag-text kayo 713-315-7793 and we can do an online consultation po. Ito, question po ni Angeline, pwede po ba kaming mag-apply ng online marriage sa Utah kahit po nasa Philippines ako, tapos yung partner ko ay nasa Ireland, same sex po kami. Thank you, attorney, and God bless. So that's the beauty po nitong Utah marriage is ina-allow niya yung mga how do you call it, yung mga gustong mag-asawa. It started dun sa, di ba, nagkaroon ng COVID na lahat restricted, na hindi po pwedeng magkasama or marami pong mga prosesong hindi na inalaw because you know, you just cannot do it physically. And so, nagkaroon sila ng isang paraan to allow people to get married kahit hindi sila physically together. Okay? And that's the online marriage. Provided na yung officiant ay naandun po sa jurisdiction ng Utah. So, for purposes sa Amerika po, ito ay valid. Alright? And, but if you have to submit an application sa immigration, sa US immigration, kailangan pong mag-comply sa US immigration law. Okay. Paano kung merong mga asawa sa ibang, di ba, may asawa na, tapos wala naman legal capacity. Ang sagot doon, it does not give you the legal capacity to marry kung wala ka talagang legal capacity. Meaning, kung may asawa ka na, and may asawa ka na sa Philippines, mag-online marriage ka, tapos sinasabi mo doon na wala kang asawa, you know, it does not give you the legal capacity to marry or remarry. Okay, so porket kinasal na kayo sa online marriage, di ba, parang legal na yon. Kung bigamos pa rin yon, bigamos yun. Kung hindi valid yung marriage na yun, hindi valid yung marriage na yon. Okay? Kung previously married ka, hindi ka nag-divorce, tapos nag-online marriage ka, what do you make of the second marriage? Of course, it's not a lawful marriage kung hindi pa lawfully terminated ang first marriage mo. Meaning, yung online marriage ay hindi siya parang 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 yung access mo na magpakasal ka na lang ng magpakasal kung sinong gusto mong pakasalan. Diba? I'm not saying Angeline, na gano'n yung situation nyo. But what I'm saying is, yes, legal siya. Kung meron kayong legal capacity to get married, yes, legal po siya. And even though nasa Philippines ka, yung kapartner mo ay nasa Ireland, mag-comply kayo dun sa requirements, go to their website. At meron pa akong isang episode, alam niyo, pasensya na. Medyo foggy ang aking brain sa pagod. Anyway, meron pa akong isang episode about that, and please watch that, okay? But you have to comply with the requirements. Meron silang website, go to their website kung ano yung mga requirements nila, and then mag-comply po kayo. Alright. And then sabi ni Brother Pete, nag-subscribe daw siya. Salamat po for subscribing. Thank you, Brother Pete. Ayan, mag-welcome po tayo kay Brother Pete. Okay. Ito po, sabi niya, paano po, sabi naman ni MYK, wala rin po akong salamin. Pagpatawad nyo na kasi parang hindi ako handa ngayon. Namimiss ko na lang kayo kasi ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-online. Sobrang busy talaga. Okay, paano po due to pandemic kasi na-stop yung process ng adoption hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin siya tapos at ang bata ay turning 18 na this month. Hindi ko po masasagot. Under Philippine law, matagal na po akong hindi nagpo-practice under Philippine law because I left the Philippines 15 years ago and I just focus on U.S. immigration law. What you need to do is talk to your lawyer, kung meron po kayong lawyer, or kumuha po kayo ng family lawyer sa Philippines. Okay? May tanong lang po ako, sabi naman ni Sian Buenga. Good day po, attorney. May tanong lang po ako, if approved na po ang H-2B visa, need po bang pumunta ng polo and POEA bago ang departure? I think may mga requirements po ang Philippines before leaving the Philippines. If I'm not mistaken, PDOS, but you have to do a seminar. Pati na rin kahit family, kahit kung ikakasal ka, meron pong mga seminars sa Philippines that you have to attend. And go to their website. I know that I have an episode on that, but check their website. Yes, kahit approved na yung H-2B mo, dadaan ka pa rin dun sa proseso yun. Kaya nga lagi ko sinasabi, dun sa mga nung sinasabi na may employer ka na, meron ka ng job offer, tanungin mo na yung employer mo, sino po ang inyong agency sa Philippines. Okay? Kasi because you have to comply with the Philippine law pa rin. Okay? Okay, sabi naman ni the Riz Marta, hello attorney, pwede bang magpetisyon ng HIPAG para mag-work sa business ng HIPAG sa US? Well, it depends po. Okay, so of course kung family petition, hindi na ngayon po pwede, hindi po pwede yung sponsorship ng HIPAG. Hindi siya considered, hindi po siya pinapayagan bilang relative na mag-sponsor. Pero dun sa employment, kung may negosyo ang HIPAG ay pwede po, pero red flag po yan. So kumonsulta po kayo sa inyong immigration lawyer, maghanap po kayo ng immigration lawyer, employment immigration lawyer on that matter. Pero pag relative po kasi, nare-red flag po yan na nabubusisi po yan. Bakit po? Kasi sometimes ginagamit yung, kunyari may negosyo, tas hindi dumadaan dun sa tamang proseso. So sa employment visa, the government wants to make sure na protected pa rin yung mga American workers, na hindi nyo po sila nape-prejudice by getting foreign workers. So kapag yung situation na ang ini-sponsor mo yung kamag-anak mo, ay nagiging red flag po yan. Okay? Tapos sabi naman dito ni Joe Moore, 6907, attorney, thank you for the information. She's referring to the information on special power of attorney. Napansin ko marami nagtatanong tungkol dito sa special power of attorney, yung apostille. Okay. Ang pinaka-madaling way, checkin nyo po ang website ng Philippine Embassy or ng Philippine Consulate. So say nasa Colorado kayo, ang consulate natin ay sa San Francisco. So checkin nyo po yung website at mayroon pong information about getting a document authenticated. Okay? Yung apostille po ay kasama po tayo dyan sa apostille. Is that a treaty? Okay, let me just check. Okay. Pinapagaan nito or pinapadali nito yung proseso ng authentication ng document. So all you need to do is go to a notary. Alam po nila yung proseso on how to get the apostille. Okay, so U.S. Department of State Apostille and Certification Services. Ayan. So marami rin mga companies na provide ng services na yan kasi notaryo lang naman po ang kailangan nyo eh. So, and then they know how to do this process. Mas madali yon, especially those states na malayo ang consulate natin and you have to travel or you have to fly to go to the consulate. Mas madali ang pagpapa-apostille na lang sa notaryo nyo doon sa inyong community. So get that information from the notary. They know how to do it. So it's one way of saving money kasi hindi mo na kailangan mag-fly pa doon sa inyong consulate, okay, or sa embassy. Sabi naman ni Rhea, "Hi po, attorney, pwede po bang magpatulong sa anak ko?" Of course, pwede po. Mag-email kayo, eb@eboardlaw.com or mag-text 713-315-7793. Pwede po tayo mag-online consultation. Okay? "Hi, attorney," sabi ni Mark Madrigal, "is it hard to pass the U.S. Embassy interview regarding H-2B visa like other interviews?" Hindi. So, yung hard to pass, di ba yung tourist visa? Kasi, ang presumption ay hindi tayo mga Pilipino daw ay hindi nababalik sa Pilipinas kapag dating natin sa Amerika. Tama ba yun? Totoo ba yun? Sa tingin nyo? Siguro, kasi meron po silang meron silang data ng mga nakakarating sa Amerika at hindi na po bumabalik sa Philippines. Okay. Sa tourist visa ay kailangan mong patunayan na babalik ka sa Philippines. Ganon din sa H-2B. Pero sa H-2B, may employer ka dapat na nag-process na ng visa mo. And then, if you're assisted, of course, merong agency na nag-a-assist. Just review yung non-immigrant visa application na final mo or sinubmit for you. Make sure tama yung mga nakasulat doon, of course. And then, yun ang magiging basehan ng tanong sa'yo ng consular officer. Okay? So, basta reviewin mo yon and then reviewin mo yung kontrata mo, reviewin mo yung mga information. Baka naman di mo pa alam kung saan ka pupunta magtatrabaho ka, di ba? So, get those information and then alamin mo lahat, from your agency before you go to the interview, and you will be prepared by your agency. Okay? Okay, sabi naman ni Nasimana, "Tell me please, how long does it take to process an I-360 for a widow?" Yan, medyo... so how do you do that? Okay, so an I-360 for a widow, ito po yung mga may asawang US citizen na namatay ang kanilang asawa at hindi na i-process ang kanilang application. And pwede silang mag-self-petition. So the way that you do that, I will teach you how to. Go to uscis.gov, go to case processing times. Okay, yung case processing time, andun po yung estimation, yung average processing time ng mga application. I-click nyo yung case processing time and then you will see here the different categories. Sabi dito, Form 360, petition for amerition, widower or special immigrant, select a category. Violence Against Women's Act. All other special immigrants, dun tayo. So, okay. So, different service centers. So, Vermont Service Center. Okay. Sabi niya, 30 months. Okay. So, this is how you check it. Alright. Ayan po. Sabi, 80% of cases are completed within 30 months. 30 months is what? 12, 24. So, more than 2 years ang processing ng I-360. Okay, so, let's look at the other service centers. 1.5. Okay. Ayan. So, that is the way that you do it. So, go to the USCIS website, meron case processing times, and then yung form category, and then kung saan yung service center nyo. Yung service center nyo, the way that you get that is nandun yan dun sa receipt ninyo. And then, i-click nyo yun, and then get processing time. It will give you an estimation. Okay? Ngayon, merong mga applicants na they wanna follow up, you know, every week they wanna call. Nung panahon namin, kasi po, syempre, from the Philippines, and I also went through the process, wala pa nitong case processing time online, di ba? So, tatawag ka dun sa hotline nila. And then, maghihintay ka sa snail mail. I remember those days. Pero ngayon, you can just check here yung case processing time. And then, of course, kapag yung case processing time mo, hindi mo, kung kaka-file mo pa lang, ito 30 months, kahit kulitin mo sila ng kulitin, ay, you know, wala rin pong mangyayari. Kukulitin mo sila ng kukulitin kung ang processing time mo ay hindi pa, you know, you haven't reached that part. Hey baby, are you gonna come here?
Was waiting.
No, come on, if you have to go. Kasi, hinihintay na ako ng aking mister para kami ay maghapunan. Actually, meron pa akong isang client. So, we're gonna meet my client and then we're gonna have a very nice dinner tonight. So, tatapusin ko lang to. I just finished this. But going back, okay, yung check case processing time, para hindi po kayo nag-iisip na, oh, baka may nangyari ng masama doon sa petition ko, ayan. Kasi laging ganun minsan, di ba? Naku, may nangyari ng masama, gaya kasi wala akong naririnig sa immigration, ayan. So, no. Sabi nga dito, wag mo silang gambalain kung yung hindi ka palampas doon sa processing time. Meaning, kung 30 months, or, you know, 10 months, whatever, 18 months, hindi pa, tapos magpa-follow up ka. So, sabi nila, wag muna. So, kontakin mo sila kapag lumampas na yung processing time. And there's also a way to do that online. Okay? Yung e-request na tinatawag, one episode, I'm gonna teach you how to do that. Pero, you go to the case processing time here sa USCIS website, and then, you know, put in yung form category, field office, service center. So I want to just check, like say for instance, I put in I-485, which is adjustment of status. Are you hungry now?
I'm trapped in the internet. Help! I'm trapped in the internet.
Okay, so form I-485, and then let's see, based on family-based adjustment. Okay, nag-asawa, nag-US citizen, and then nag-parang adjustment. Field office or service center. Let's put in here Houston. Marami tayong kaibigan sa Houston, Texas. Ayan. Get processing time. 16 months. Diba? 16 months. So, marami kasi nagpa-file sa Houston eh. Kasi mas marami po ang population nila. Ang laki-laki ng Texas. Okay, so say, tignan naman po natin sa Denver, kung gaano katagal ang Denver. The same process, go check case processing times, form category, and then field office is Denver, Colorado, get processing time, 18.5, oh, 18.5 months, nako, 18.5, so that's more than a year. But that's how you know. So, bakit ba yung iba mas matagal, bakit yung iba mas makonte? Because, depende po sa dami na nagsasubmit ng application. Ayan. So, minsan po kasi pagka-file nyo, parang, naku, dapat may mangyari na no. So, you have to know yung case processing time. And then, your lawyer should tell you kung ano yung case processing time. If you don't trust your lawyer, go to this website, okay? And find it for yourself, okay? Para alam nyo at nang hindi kayo nag-iisip na nag-iisip, okay? So, what are you gonna do kung tapos na yung case processing time? Ano ba yung pinagsimulan ko dito? Ay, yung 360. Okay, so I started with 360. Alright. So, what are you gonna do if yung case processing time mo ay tapos na? Okay? Then you can contact them. Alright? So, may karapatan ka nang kontakin sila, and the way that you do that is do the e-request. So, what happens kung kinontak mo sila tapos yung processing time mo ay hindi pa tapos? Ang sasabihin lang sa'yo na hindi pa muna it's still within the processing time. So, na maaga, premature pa yung pag-contact mo sa kanila. Basically, i-ignorein ka nila. Ganun po. So sabi ko, waste of time eh. But you know what? You can do it. It's up to you. But that's how you get it. Okay? Alright. So let's go back to the questions. Ito, another question na naman po. Same-sex couple sila. Good morning, attorney. Tanong ko lang po, hope na mapansin. This is from Francis. My partner is planning to work in the US and he wants me to go with him. Currently, nasa Pinas pa po kami and we are a same-sex couple. Should we get married online first and possibly na magkasama kami lumipat? Or dapat na mauna muna siya sa US, then we get married? Parehong pwede po yon. So, if you're talking about the Utah marriage online, pareho po siyang pwede. Of course, hindi siya legal sa Philippines, di ba, yung same-sex marriage. Pero sa US law ay pwede po iyon. So, kung kasal na kayo at pinrases yung documents niya sa immigration, then pwede kanyang isama. Kung hindi pa so say nagpunta siya dito sa US, tapos nasa Philippines ka, nagpakasal kayo sa online. Okay? Ang challenge doon sa immigration law, kailangan ma-consummate nyo after the marriage. So kahit magkasama na kayo ngayon, pero lumipad na siya, tapos nandun siya na nagpakasal kayo, kailangan nyo pa rin magkita. Ayan. So yun ang proseso sa immigration law. So it's up to you on how you want to do it, but you can do it either way. Okay? Hello po, attorney from Josefa. Approved na ang petition ko dated 2015. Ano po kaya dapat na gawin? Siguro po, it refers to a brother petition sapagkat doon siya nag-respond do sa video ko about do sa sibling. So, ang brother petition ng category niya ay F4. Let's see po. Okay, so let's go to the visa bulletin. Kung approve na yung petition. Now, it's not clear kung saan siya approve. Well, approve sa USCIS and then dadating sa NVC. So, pag nasubmit nyo na po yung lahat ng dokumento sa NVC, ang tawag po dun ay documentarily qualified. Okay? Tapos, it will go to the US Embassy at dun po kayo may schedule na for interview. However, dahil po merong mga retrogression, mas marami po ang visa kaysa doon sa mas maraming documentarily qualified kaysa doon sa visa available, ay hindi po na-schedule for interview agad. Okay, so F4 category, April 22, 2004, pwede na mag-process sa National Visa Center, pero ang final action date, okay, ay October 15, 2002. So, merong 2 years, di ba, na difference. Yan po yung aking sinasabi. Na minsan, qualified na po sa NVC, pero hindi pa rin po ma-interview sa Philippines. Okay? So, para po sagutin ko po ang iyong tanong ay kung kayo po ay approved na or documentarily qualified na po kayo sa NVC, maghihintay na lang po kayo ng interview sa US Embassy. Okay? Okay, so caregiver question. Nag-hire po ba sila ng high school graduate for caregivers for EB3? Okay, yung EB3 is an application for permanent residence. Meaning, kapag na-sponsor ka sa caregiver, you will get your green card. Ano ba yung mga requirements ng caregiver? Dito naman sa Amerika, wala naman talaga siyang degree para sa caregiver eh. Napaka-minimal ng training for caregiver. So, depende po dun sa requirement ng inyong employer. Okay? Pero usually, high school graduates lang po. Yung iba may training na kailangan, yung iba walang training na kailangan. But depende po sa requirements ng inyong employer. But usually po, ito po, ang high school graduate po ay okay po sa caregiver. You will need an employer to sponsor you. So this is not something na may initiate mo or mag-a-apply ka lang, but you have to have an employer that will start the process for you. They will go to the Department of Labor first, and then to the USCIS bago pa po makakarating sa inyo. So, ngayon, mahaba-haba po ang proseso. Alam niyo, nakaka-frustrate din because yung maraming mga magagandang visa na, like yung employment visa, yung mga for caregivers, na ang hirap-hirap because of the long process, 'di ba? So, alam mo, kailangan ng mga caregivers dito sa US, pero wala tayong special category for that. Pero, ba't hindi nyo makita yung katotohanan na yan ang kailangan natin para sa mga matatanda nating mga citizens, di ba? And why don't you make the process easier? Kasi marami namang willing na magtrabaho bilang caregivers. Okay? So, alright. So, sabi naman ni user, wala po siyang name, sabi niya, 4 weeks ago, pwede po ba na ma-sponsor ng green card ang anak na widow? At gaano katagal? Pwede po yon kung namatay na yung asawa. Tapos permanent resident yung petitioner, pwede po yon. So, magiging unmarried child yon. It's gonna be an F2B category and green card holder pa lang yung petitioner. But meron pong waiting time. Yan. Okay? Pero po, gaano daw katagal? Sabi niya, ma'am, gaano po katagal? Let's see ulit. So, ang category po niyan ay F2B kasi ang petitioner ay permanent resident at ang anak ay more than 21 and over na na-widow na po siya, unmarried, October 22, 2011 po ang pinaprocess. So, ngayon ay 2024. So, i-compute nyo po yon 2024, 2011. Ilang taon po yon. Okay? So, ganun po ang waiting time. But, you should not be discouraged. Kasi, you know what? Kahit gaano katagal ang waiting time, i-file nyo pa rin ang petition yung mga anak nyo. Kasi darating din po yun. Yung mga kapatid po ninyo, kung gusto nyo makuha yung kapatid nyo at gusto naman ng kapatid nyo manirahan sa Amerika, kahit matagal ang proseso, i-file nyo pa rin po yun. Kasi darating at darating din po yun. We'll never know what's gonna happen next sa immigration. Maybe, dagdagan nila yung mga visa available, yung dagdagan nila yung quota, and then pwede siyang ma-expedite. Kaya matagal, ay dahil marami pong petisyon na na-file from our country. Actually, tayo yung kasama doon sa mga bansang maraming petitions na na-file. China, mainland, born, India, Mexico, and Philippines. Ayan, kasama po tayo. Okay? So, kahit po matagal ang waiting time, i-file nyo po, file nyo, and then forget about it. Darating at darating din po yun. Basta tandaan nyo po kung ano yung priority date ninyo. Okay? I think yung aking mister ay gutom na. Okay, last question for okay, kay Contiveros naman galing. Attorney, is there any other way na mas madali para lang makapunta ang mga siblings mo dito aside this visa? Alright. So, ang comment niya is yung sa video on the petition ng kapatid, yung F4 category. So, kung para lang makapunta, makabisita sa Amerika, of course, you can try the tourist visa. Yan. So, yun, madali lang po yun. Mag-a-apply lang sa embassy natin sa Philippines. Kung immigrant visa under F4 category, talagang may waiting time. Kasi marami pong nagfa-file. And, kung ang pagproseso kasi nila, yung order ng pagtanggap nila ng petisyon. So, but yung question mo, other than this, yung petition sa brother na F4 category, may iba pa bang way? Of course, yung inyong tourist visa is one way, non-immigrant. Kung meron namang capacity na mag-build ng business sa Amerika or bumili ng business, why not? E2 investor visa. At kung meron namang capacity na mag-invest, why not? Hi, brother! Kamusta ka? It's been a long time. This is my first video for the year. Ayan. Okay, so Contiveros, I hope I answered your question. And that's the last for the night. My husband is so hungry and we're about to go. Kami ay kakain muna. It's been a long day for us. I'm gonna meet one more client and then pwede na kaming mamahinga. But I want to tell you the good news. Sa July 1 to July 12, 2024, if you are in San Francisco, the Philippine Consulate is hosting Courage Exhibition. Yun po yung aking exhibition ng aking mga sculptures from July 1 to July 12, 2024. In the same exhibition, we're also going to unveil the sculpture of not Dr. Jose Rizal, of Magdalena Leones. So, abangan po ninyo and we will be there to share to you yung aking sculpture po. It's my solo exhibition and it's going to be hosted by our Philippine Consulate in San Francisco. Okay? So if you have any questions, if you want to have a consultation with me, schedule an online consultation with me, mag-email po kayo eb@eboardlaw.com or mag-text 713-315-7793. Till next time, bye!